My name is Ahmad Shazrul bin Maksani. Ambil number itu to DKM4C. Today I want to present about title of video. Bearing. A bearing is a machine element that constrains relative motion to only the desired motion and reduce friction between moving parts. The design of the bearing may, for example, provide for free linear movement of the bearing part or for free rotation around a fixed axis. Or it may prevent a motion by controlling the vector or normal force that bear on the bearing part. Most bearings facilitate the desired motion by minimizing friction. Bearings are classified broadly according to the type of operation, the motion allowed, or to the direction of the load force applied to the part. Problem of equipment, machine, vehicle. First, lubricant failure. Discolor blue-brown ball thread on balls are symptoms of lubricant failures. As a safe wear of ball, ring and case will follow, resulting in the overheating, subsequent catastrophic failures. Ball bearings depend on the continuous production of a very thin billion of an inch field of lubricant between ball and race, and between the case, bearing rings, and ball. Second, corrosion. Red-brown area on balls, raceway, case, or bands of ball bearing are symptoms of corrosion. This condition results from exposing bearing to corrosion fluid or a corrosive atmosphere. The usual result is increased vibration followed by wear, with subsequent increase in radial clearance of or low preload. In extreme case, corrosion can indicate easily facial failure. And third is misalignment. Misalignment can be detected on the raceway of the non-rotating ring by a ball where part is not parallel to the raceway edge. If misalignment exceeds 0.01 in can exploit an abnormal temperature rise in the bearing and or housing and heavy weight in the case ball pocket.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisal Hakimi bin Muhammad Faizul and I'm from DKM4C. So now I will tell you about the cause of the problem.
Okay, first, failures are typically caused by restricted lubricant flow or excessive temperatures that degrade the lubricant's properties. This includes insufficient lubrication. Second, this condition results from exposing bearings to corrosive fluids or a corrosive atmosphere. The usual result is increased vibration followed by wear, with subsequent increase in radial clearance or a loss of preload. In extreme cases, corrosion can initiate yearly fatigue failures. The most prevalent causes of misalignment are bent shaft, burrs, or dirt on shaft or housing shoulders, shaft threads that are not square with shaft seats, and locking nuts with faces that are not square to thread axis. The maximum allowable misalignment varies greatly with different applications, decreasing for example with speed.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Zahid. Want to present from DKM4C. Want to present about bearing tool and equipment and safety procedure. First, for the tool and equipment is jaw puller, hydraulic puller, fitting tools, hook spanner, impact spanner, and hydraulic nuts and pump. For the bearing safety procedure is, first, we keep bearings and surrounding area clean. Second, keep the careful handling. Third, please use proper tools. And the lastly is to prevent bearing get corrosion.
Alright, so now is the solution of the problems for bearing. First, badan engineers can advise users on the most suitable lubricant type and quantity to use. Refer to lubricant section of badan C10 catalog for more information. Also, any step taken to correct improper fit, control preload better, and cool the shafts and housings will reduce bearing temperatures and improve lubricant life. Alright, number 2, correct by diverting corrosive fluids away from bearing areas and use integrally sealed bearings. Whenever possible, if the environment is particularly hostile, the use of external seals in addition to integral seals should be considered. The use of stainless steel bearing is also useful. Right. So number 3, appropriate corrective action includes inspecting shafts and housing for run out of shoulders and bearings, seats, use of single brain turn on the ground treads on non-harmed shaft and ground treads only on hardened shafts, and using a precision grade lock nut. Thank you.